Hi everyone, Tommy here. Today, we're taking a closer look at two reliable AED brands from Stryker, Physio-Control and HeartSign. These AEDs are designed for ease of use and reliability, and their pads and batteries play a crucial role in keeping them ready for rescue. Let's break down the pads and batteries that power these life-saving devices. Let's start with the Physio-Control AEDs, specifically the LIFEPAK CR2 and the LIFEPAK 1000 models. The LIFEPAK CR2 uses quick step pads which are pre-connected, non-polarized, and compatible with both adult and children. Switching to pediatric mode is as simple as pressing a button, making it quick and intuitive during an emergency. The CR2's lithium battery provides up to 4 years of standby power, provides 166 shocks, or offers 8 hours of continuous monitoring. For the LIFEPAK 1000, available in both ECG and graphical display models, it uses Edge system pads which are also pre-connected and compatible with both adult and children. Its durable lithium battery lasts up to 5 years in standby mode, delivers 425 shocks, or supports 17 hours of continuous monitoring. Both the CR2 and LIFEPAK 1000 AEDs perform regular self-checks to ensure their pads and batteries are always ready to rescue. If replacements are needed, the devices provide clear alerts, giving peace of mind that they're ready when seconds matter. Now let's talk about the HeartSign Samaritan Pad AEDs, which include the 350p, 360p, and 450p models. These AEDs use the innovative PadPack system, an all-in-one design that combines the battery and pad into one single cartridge. The PadPack simplifies maintenance with just one expiration date to track and one component to replace. The PadPack comes in two versions: the adult PadPack for individuals 8 years old or older or weighing more than 55 pounds, and the pediatric PadPack, which adjusts energy levels for children under 8 years old and weighing less than 55 pounds. Each PadPack has a 4-year shelf life and provides up to 60 shocks or 6 hours of continuous monitoring, making it a long-term, reliable solution. Both Physio-Control and HeartSign AEDs are designed to be dependable and easy to maintain. Whether it's the Quick Step and Edge system pads on the LIFEPAK AEDs or the all-in-one PadPack system on the HeartSign AEDs, these consumables ensure your devices are always ready to save lives. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is always here to help. Stay safe and keep your AEDs ready to rescue.